to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
It's a Big Mouth Academy word jumble. Fabulous! And what is this? Let's use the letters and spell it out together. Hand-a-bed! No! No? Okay, let's try again. And-a-pin! No! No. All right, one more try. Headband! That's it. H-E-A-D-B-A-N-D. Headband! Now for a spelling surprise! Surprise! Spider-Man! Shake, shake, shake!
Always a Spider-Man surprise with Marvel Ultimate Spider-Man!
It's Iron Fist! Great job!
School's out.
A+ good time! Learning is big fun! Thanks for playing! Bye-bye! It's an apple! Yes! A-P-P-L-E. Apple! You got it! Looks like a spelling surprise! Let's crack open the fun! Surprise! Shake, shake, shake!